Copyright is a branch of intellectual property law that provides exclusive legal rights to authors and creators over their original works. It protects the form or expression of an idea, not the idea itself. Once an original work is created and fixed in a tangible form, it automatically attracts copyright protection. In India, the principal legislation governing this right is the Copyright Act 1957, administered by the Copyright Office under the DPIAT. The Act has undergone multiple amendments, most significantly in 1994, 1999 and 2012, with the 2012 amendment ensuring royalties for authors in the digital streaming era. Copyright applies to literary works such as novels, poems, textbooks, software source code, and online articles. Artistic works including paintings, photographs, architectural plans and sculptures are all protected. Cinematograph films cover motion pictures, while sound recordings include audio albums, audiobooks, and podcasts. A Bollywood movie receives protection as a cinematograph film. The owner of copyright is generally the author or creator. However, when work is created during employment, the employer is deemed the first owner. In academic institutions, copyright ownership of scholarly work often depends on institutional policies and contracts. Economic rights enable the owner to commercially exploit the work by authorizing reproduction, publication, adaptation, distribution, and public performance. Moral rights under Section 57 include the right of paternity, to be identified as the creator, and the right of integrity to prevent harmful modifications. For most works, copyright lasts for the author's lifetime plus 60 years. A book by an author who dies in 2020 will be protected until 2080. Copyright infringement occurs when works are used without authorization. However, Section 52 provides fair dealing exceptions for educational and research purposes. Quoting lines for criticism, using content in lectures, or reproducing materials for judicial proceedings is allowed under fair use. Although registration isn't mandatory, it's strongly recommended. The process involves submitting Form 4 with fees and copies to the Copyright Office. After a 30-day objection period, if the registrar finds the application satisfactory, a certificate of registration is issued. Internationally, the Berne Convention mandates automatic protection in member countries, while TRIPS agreement sets minimum IP protection standards. In the digital era, copyright faces challenges from piracy, unauthorized streaming, and AI-generated content. Questions about machine authorship remain unresolved. Case law has shaped copyright interpretation. R.G. Anand clarified that copyright protects expression, not ideas themselves. Copyright protection supports creative industries and cultural development. Understanding these laws is crucial for creators to safeguard their works and contribute responsibly to the creative economy. Students, researchers, and creators must understand copyright intricacies in our increasingly digital world.